So BrainTrust has introduced what we have been calling portfolio lead training. So we've designated individuals in the company, some junior individuals who have expressed a desire to take over a leadership role. We recognize that individuals that have been previously technical have not had a lot of management experience. So our goal with the PL training is to introduce them to the concepts that they will face as they move into these more management or leadership roles within their tasks, their programs, and within the company. The PL training itself is focused on a couple different areas. So it's always been kind of a unique thing that BrainTrust offers within industry, I think. I'm not aware of any other company that offers similar types of training to their employees, to those folks who are in these leadership or moving into these leadership roles. We recognize that a number of these individuals will at some point want to form their own businesses, their own companies, and that is a tricky thing to do in this industry. One goal of the training is to introduce them to what it's like to run your own company. The issues that they'll face as they kind of move into that arena, as they progress through their careers. There are things that they need to be aware of to execute those programs successfully, both on the people front, as well as the actual just nuts and bolts of running a program with the government. The intent of this is to help our employees, to arm them, as they move on through their careers. So it might seem strange to train individuals or provide training to individuals to go out and form their own companies. This comes from Bob Kiffney, our president. He views it almost as a rite of passage, right? There are individuals that helped him along through his career to enable him to stand up a company like BrainTrust, and he feels a duty or an obligation to pass that back through to the next generation of leaders within industry. The PL training is intended to do that. So the feedback has been extremely positive from this. We do have a good demonstrated path of both people taking the knowledge and the experience that we've imparted through our training and rolling it into their own new careers with their own companies, as well as growing into more technical management roles within BrainTrust. We've heard from numerous individuals that this is not training that they can imagine any other company providing to their employees. I mean, we're essentially training people or providing insight to these individuals to go out and form basically competitors to BrainTrust. But we view it again as an obligation to impart that wisdom into the next generation of leaders within this industry, within this community.